Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome back. I'm on today with my Year of Cheer collab project share, and I wanted to share the collection that I used to make my project, and it is the Rosie Studios Oh Joyful Day. So I used two different pattern papers from this collection. I also used some of their die cut cardstock sentiments. There's a bunch of different sentiments and ephemera pieces in this pack here. I used some of their chipboard embellishments, and I used some of their puffy stickers here. It's a super cute collection. So let me show you what I created. So I went ahead and made these rosettes here. Just these real simple rosettes. I just wanted to show that you don't need anything extra besides the paper collection kit that you purchase. You know, if you purchase a kit, everything that comes in the kit, you can make beautiful projects. So here is a rosette. I used my Tim Holtz rosette die, an oldie but goodie. And here, this one has a sentiment, and it has a chipboard sticker, two of them with the sentiment. Same here, this is an ephemera piece, a postage stamp. That's a puffy sticker, and then a sentiment there. This one here, a sentiment over a postage stamp and a chipboard present, and then there's a number 25 in the back. I put that there because I glued the present too high and there was a gap here, so I had to fill in the gap somehow. So I put that there. And this one here is a postage stamp again with the Santa, another chipboard sticker there, and holiday cheer. So I don't normally craft in dark colors like this, so this was a challenge for me to use these type of colors for Christmas. I guess you would say they're traditional colors maybe. So I had a lot of fun creating these, and I'm going to put them aside for Christmas. So I have a little stash going, so when I need to make projects, I can just pull these out. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed. Have a great day, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.